Hi there and welcome. Today we are going to be making roasted eggplant in the air fryer. The air fryer that I will be using is the Cook's Essentials 5.3 quart. So with that, let's go ahead and get started. Alright, I have my eggplant all washed and ready to go. I'm going to start off by cutting off the end. You may have a better way of cubing up this eggplant. What I'm going to do is I'm going to cut this in slices about 1 inch in thickness or so, give or take. I have the eggplant all cubed up. Now I'm going to add some olive oil, about probably 2 tablespoons. Now I'm going to get this eggplant all coated with the olive oil. Now the seasoning is up to you. Salt and pepper would work just fine. So I am going to add some salt. The amount also is to your taste. Some pepper. And into that I'm going to add some garlic powder. And some smoked paprika. Get this all mixed well. Alright, we're ready to get this into the air fryer basket. We're ready to pop this into the air fryer. Okay, I have the air fryer set to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. I'm going to start off for 15 minutes. So in about 10 minutes we'll check on that and give that basket a little shake to make sure that eggplant cooks evenly. So I will see you soon. Okay, we are 10 minutes in. We are just about there. I'm not quite sure. I'm going to let this go the total 15 minutes. At least 2 or 3 more minutes. I will let you know the total cooking time. Okay, this took exactly 15 minutes. I am going to go ahead and just sprinkle a little bit of parsley flakes for some color. Let's try one of these out. Okay, let's try 2 of these out. This is delicious. It's nice and tender. I failed to mention, if you want to take the peel off, you absolutely can. I don't mind it, so I left it on. I can taste a little bit of that garlic powder I put in. Again, it's nice and tender. Delicious. You can eat this eggplant as is, or what I think would really be good is to drizzle over some balsamic vinegar. Yum. If you're looking for more air fryer recipes, here's a few more that you can check out next. And as always, I want to thank you so much for watching, and I hope to see you next time.